Hey everyone, it is Christian. And super bad quality, but we're just gonna go through it. Okay, we're just going to go through it. Today's video is going to be how to properly. Today's video is going to be how to properly clean your iPhone, because people are seeming to mess up when they clean it. So you just want to unding the case and just wipe it with the special oil. Do not have to. You can do it. This is the second part of the video where I show you how to do it at a different way. You do not have to do it with the case off. You can actually take a paper towel. This is the more advanced other than time lapse. So you would spray it on to here. So say for instance if I had my case on, it's over there, but I just want to wipe down my phone. So to do that, you just properly wipe your phone. Like that. And remember, you do not want too much of this stuff. It can actually ruin stuff. So I actually don't recommend putting way too much in. First, this is only oh, that was close. But this is only meant for your screen. Do not put this on your metal part of your iPhone, because I think that's gonna damage it, because this is only meant for screen. Again, on the label, it said it was only meant for screens. So, I'm gonna make it stick, watch. It's only meant for screens, so I don't really recommend putting this on your metal, like I just said. Do not do that. That will actually ruin the phone. And never put it into your ports. That's what you need compressed air for. Compressed air is also meant for computers. It's meant for ports and computers and phones, tablets, any. So I do recommend getting compressed air for that. So yeah, bye.